So we are here at Smart Factory Expo in NEC in Birmingham. We've been here for the last 2 days and it's been a really good 2 days for us. We've seen a lot of interest from UK manufacturers in learning more about the CIRI framework, Smart Industry Readiness Index, and what we're really trying to get across that the CIRI is a lightweight, pragmatic framework that's a value-driven for your digital manufacturing transformation.
We're finding that people are getting more familiar with the LMAP brand and the CIRI brand as well, and that's taken about 1.5 years really of us talking to people and getting some good promotion out there about what is it we're trying to do and how can CIRI help manufacturing in the UK, which is really pleasing to when you start getting people coming up to you saying we've read about this or we've heard about this, can you tell me more about it? That's a real pleasure.
Walking into the show and talking to people has been fantastic, but you still get that sense of walking around and seeing all these different technologies is confusing people, is giving people all these options of what could I do versus what should I do right now with the resources and the time I've got available. So it's been really exciting to talk people through how we've worked with clients who have been in that same headspace and shown how we can work with them.
So the advantage of us being the first UK CIRI assessors is that we've got the credibility. We've been doing this for 4 years in New Zealand, so we've got a lot of experience and credibility, and that's what companies are looking for, is that practical, pragmatic experience to be able to say, here's what you need to do, and cut through all the noise so that we can get them some really good return on investment pretty quickly.
Over the last 2 days, I met many potential clients, and one of the things that they all have in common that really resonates with them is our approach, our hands-on, pragmatic approach to industrial digital transformation. What we do, we not only build a roadmap for you, with you, but we also are there when it comes to implementation, which is really important for us as a consultancy business because we need to be able to stand by our recommendations. So what would normally happen when we move from planning into a deploy stage of your transformation, we would be there 1 or 2 days on average per week, working with you, developing your internal capabilities so that you can become self-sufficient after you scale your digital transformation.
The starting point of the roadmap is really what as a business are you trying to improve. So the key fundamental principles of the CIRI assessment are what cost drivers are you trying to improve and what KPIs are you trying to influence. And this is always our starting point. As a business, what are you trying to achieve, what KPIs are you trying to shift and what costs. It's not just a case of picking some random technology for the sake of it. Everything should be driven back to what's your strategy, where are you trying to influence things, and then from that we can identify and prioritize the right technologies that's going to solve those problems, and then we can help you to actually implement and deploy those as quickly and as effectively as possible using some effective project and change management.
At LMAC, we recognize that not everybody is ready for digital transformation straight away. Part of the CIRI assessment, when taken together with LMAC, is our Are You Ready assessment. And basically what it means, we look into your leadership capabilities, we look into how you treat data, because the data is a big part of your digital transformation. One of the key differentiators between Industry 3 and Industry 4 is that in the Industry 3 era, we automate in processes, physical processes, whereas in Industry 4, we automate in decisions. And these decisions are built on a good quality data. So your organization needs to be ready to undertake a digital transformation. And the third part, and one of the bedrocks of digital transformation, upon which you can build a successful transformation, is your lean manufacturing readiness. So these are the things that if you undertake CIRI assessment with LMAC, we will do on the top of our standard CIRI assessment.